Capricorn, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. Let's do a reading for the month of July 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I'm going to look at the cards for you and see what we have. And Capricorn, if you haven't watched my Mercury retrograde video for the year 2020, which is the time duration which I mentioned is June 17th till July 12th. The time is already over, but Capricorn, the post shadow of Mercury retrograde will extend till July 26th. So that particular reading which I did, which I mentioned June 17th till July 12th, will actually extend till July 26th because Mercury will have its post shadow till July 26th. So majorly things will happen during that post shadow time only. So you can check out the reading if you haven't yet. I'll mention in the end of the reading over here. You can click on that box, or you can click on the annotations, you can find it there. First card to come out is Ace of Pentacles. Very good way to start. Sagittarius has got Ace of Wands, which is a fire sign. You got Earth sign, Ace of Pentacles. Really good. And very nice way to start. And after a long time I'm seeing this card come out. It's such a beautiful card to come out, really. And you have your finances stable is what I'm seeing. Okay, you're very financially abundant. A lot of money is coming to you in the month of July. It's just a lot of money is coming to you. This is a big coin. Okay, you can see in the rider weight there's a big coin which he's holding, and that's a pentacle. This is the big pentacle, Ace of Pentacles. Really good. So a lot of money is coming to you in the month of July. Welcome it. You may not see its beauty at the start because there is lot many cracks here. You might think there is imperfections. I'm fumbling because that's the reason. You might think there is imperfections, and you might want everything to be so perfect, and you have to remember even the imperfections are so beautiful. There should be ups and downs, as I said. It is a sine wave. We are all experiencing through the circles of life in the sine wave because it's a Taurus field, right? So there'll be negative and there'll be positive also every time. So don't be very think that everything should be perfect. Ace of Pentacles is such a beautiful card to come out. Be happy, be grateful. Okay, there should be imperfections. That's the reason it is so beautiful. Okay, yep. Five of Swords for sure. You or someone around you might be fighting with you. You might be fighting with someone else, or someone might be fighting with you with regards to money also, is what I'm seeing. Ace of Pentacles. For others, I feel like it is among your workplace. Ace of Pentacles next to Five of Swords. You might have fights with people around your workspace, okay, around your career or around your workspace. It might be you who is it might be you or someone else who is initiating the fight. Okay, I can't specify who is that, but definitely it will affect your finances also. You can see Pentacle has few cracks, as I said, and there is a sword over here. And if you take the mirror of it, I am saying mirror because this is first house. If I mirror it, it will become 7th house. I'll explain you why is it that. Because in the chart, ascendant is first house. If you look at people down, it is 7th house. That's the reason. There is a mirror. Okay. So if you take the mirror of it, you can see the sword will attack this pentacle, and that is the one creating the crack. And 7th house is other people. That's the reason I shifted. Okay. First house is you. You can't see where the sword is attacking. You'll almost think that sword didn't do anything for your finances, but that's the one it attacked. That's the one which made your finances go down. okay, in a negative way, definitely a negative way. So even though if it is fights, I'll tell you the best way. If a fight starts, if someone is coming and fighting with you, for even though if you didn't do anything wrong, even though if you're right, okay, listen, there nothing will happen. Just pretend that they are right. Whatever they're saying, just agree that they are right. That's all. If you do that, you'll see immediately the whatever fight is going on, it won't last. It will just clear off there only, okay, within few seconds. I can guarantee you, I can assure you. If someone is coming and fighting with you saying you are wrong, I am right, and if they say some thing also, you have to accept that. You have to accept that they are right, okay. That's all. There is nothing wrong, as I said. If you accept they are wrong, situations, it doesn't mean that they are right, okay. Yeah, Six of Wands, same thing. I saw Father of Pentacles also, bottom of the deck. Someone who is very mature and acts maturely, an entrepreneur who is a social speaker. King of Pentacles. That's the reason you have to speak as if you're speaking with thousands of people or millions of people across you. Your words should have an impact that way. Even though if you're talking with one person, imagine you're talking with 1 million people. So that's how your words should be so strong, so powerful, okay. Six of Wands is simply that. If you do that, you will get victory. That's all. Either ways, I'm telling you, you have the capacity to win every fight. Even though if you say you are right and they are wrong, you will win the fight for sure. Six of Wands, you will win the fight. But at the back, you look back that your Pentacles, your career is messed up a little. So even though it is just a crack, the coin is just cracked, it is not broken down, as you can see. It has a major crack over here. And remember, cracks in our life will happen if you have ego, okay, just to mention. Not that you have ego, but majorly cracks will happen in our life if you have ego, okay. Significant crack will happen. And I'm talking because I know it's not just cards I'm telling the meaning with. I know through person and experiencing with other friends and asking questions, having them to share their emotions with me. Through that I know, okay. These sort of practical stuff, not just cards. Even though I'm doing reading based on the meaning of the cards, remember Capricorn, there were times when I drew each card every day and I connected with that energy and I noticed how the day went. And all those experiencing that day, if I get 2 of Swords that day, one day, I'm telling you all the things which I've experienced to you right now. So that is practical, okay. I've completed the cycle of the tarot, starting from Fool card till World card, okay. So I know through practical stuff. And 2 of Swords, you have to take a decision. Again, as I said, it is your decision to either say yes or no, if they are right or not. This is not, universe is not blackmailing you or something like that. It is just telling you are so beautiful and your finances are growing beautifully at the starting of the month. Receive it and don't point out few imperfections. There will be imperfections, but don't point out those, okay. Ace of Pentacles is such a beautiful card to come out. If you think a positive thing as negative thing, it will turn into negative thing, as we are saying right now, okay. That is the whole concept of it. That's the reason I'm telling you, even though if someone says something which is not right, just pretend that they're right and things will turn out. Sun card next to 2 of Swords, definitely. I mean, look at this. I just told you, this is victory, this is decision, this is victory. If you take the decision of the left and right also, you will find victory. But you think which is colorful, the right one, okay. You can see in one of the video, See You Again, it hit 1 billion views. And that song, many people, even celebrity songs, have so much of symbology and spiritual meaning, and the person who is making that song knows, and there is a reason why he kept that. Okay, even the lyrics and the video of it, the guy, the musician, is very spiritual. Okay, he keeps the meaning of it, and we just enjoy the music, and we don't understand. But in the See You Again, you can see 2 cards came out. I'll come back to that. In the See You Again, you can see in one point of the video there'll be 2 directions, either to go left or right. He chooses the left path. Okay, that means the guy who is taking the left path, he knows that either ways if he goes, he wins. So that's the representation of the thing. So you can see, you can go either left or right, but that guy who took left, he's so confident that either ways he goes, he'll be successful, and he wants to represent that in the video. And you can see in that video very clearly. Okay, no one notices that. We think that it is just a music video, they want to show something in the hills of car driving fast. No. Okay, so, and 6 of Wands, you think which is beautiful and go. Just go with the flow. I can say go with the flow. I'm not telling you go with the right one. I'm just telling you, if you want to stop the fight fast, then do this, or else go with the flow. Okay, that's what I say. Okay, because I can't control you, I don't want to. Coming back, next cards you have Mother of Cups and 8 of Swords, both at the same time it came out. And Mother of Cups, I won't read the cards individually when cards come out. 2 cards come out at the same time. I try to connect both the energies and tell you. Okay, Mother of Cups plus 8 of Swords. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like you're giving too much, Capricorn, to other people who really doesn't value your emotions, is what I'm saying. Because Mother of Cups nurtures everyone, and when you're nurturing everyone, it's good. That's the personality of a mother of Cups. But you're sharing too much, because your soul knows that you're giving too much. Okay, you're thinking that if I give too much, maybe 50% I'll get back, and when I get back I'll feel happy. If I don't give too much, I'll get less. And you need the quantity more. But remember, quantity is not the thing when sharing emotions, it's the quality of it. So even though if you share your emotions to less people, it should be true, it should be a quality one. Don't focus on the quantity. You're giving too much, which is not, I'm not saying you don't have emotions, but you're expecting a lot also. That might actually trigger fights also. For few people, for Ascendant, it resonates very well what I'm saying. You might already know what I'm talking about for Ascendant. 4 of Cups. If someone is hiding something, I'll move on. That's all I can say. Daughter of Wands, yeah. Confirmed. Daughter of Swords. Fighting, guys. Fighting. For sure, fighting. Someone is... you're fighting with someone, or... yeah, you're definitely fighting with someone in the month of July. Okay. You're this Daughter of Wands is what I'm feeling, and someone is Daughter of Swords. You're fighting with the wand, they are fighting with the sword. Who wins? Sword wins. Okay. Why? You can see the element side and the meaning also. The sword will win. Wand is a stick. A sword can cut the stick. A stick can't defeat sword. Okay, even though wands, the stick it tries to attack the sword, it will break down. Okay, the stick will break because sword is strong, it is made out of metal, wand is wood. Okay, if you look at the meaning also, daughter of wands is someone who is childish and showing their beauty and kind of, you can say, what is the word here, kind of controlling. Okay, using their beauty. Daughter of wands. Daughter of sword is someone who is who uses their mind, tries to analyze other people and use their mind and act. So I don't know, it might be you who is daughter of wands. You can be daughter of swords also, I don't know, it can be anyone. Okay, but I feel like you're daughter of wands here. So stay away from fights, that's the best way. Remember, sun card is here. If you take the decision properly towards swords, you will get to sun card and things will definitely align itself for the good. And maybe this is a lesson for you. High priestess, for sure, this is a lesson, as I said, bottom of the deck. A lesson for sure. You'll learn something very significant in the month of July, for sure. It will be a major secret which no one knows, High Priestess. You won't share also what has happened to others. That's all I can say. Capricorn, stay safe. Okay, this is not the time to fight. I'm not saying you are the one who is initiating, as I said. I don't know, it might be you or someone else in this case. And if you want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that. Maybe this is something you have to listen for this month. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notified, never miss a video. I'll definitely be making a lot of video for you guys. If this is your ascendant sign, check your moon and sun also and see how this resonate. Especially for this reading, I feel like you have to check your sun and moon also. Okay, and if you haven't watched my Mercury reading, you can click on the box over here and the icon, anything is fine. And thank you guys for so much support. We have crossed 800 subscribers and I'm so happy. My subscribers are going very rapidly at short amount of time. Thank you guys for the support. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. I'll be free to reply for you guys. And if you want a personal reading, you can check out my website, it's down below. You can contact me in Messenger and WhatsApp also. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Capricorn.